everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here for another plan with me in my Sterling Ink Common Planner, and this is for the week of Monday, August 26th through to September 1st. Oh my goodness, hold on, I'm just looking for a pencil board. And this week I thought I would decorate with some fun stickers. I know I'm not at the San Francisco Pen Show anymore. I feel like my voice though is going because I did a lot of talking over the weekend, and I'm going to be using the Tokubetsu Mori Hello San Francisco stickers that I got from the show. Now, I bought a lot more stationery, I think, this year than I did last year, but I also came home. I feel like I came home with a lot more stuff. People had gifted me with so many beautiful things, and yeah, anyway. These are such cute stickers, and I'm going to be using them in both my weekly spread as well as my daily spreads. I'm going to save these ones for the dailies, but I'll use this ones for here. And then I'm going to combine them with this alcohol ink from According to Ali, because I think the blue matches perfectly. So let's put some down here. Oops. And there we go. Okay, at the beginning of today, I didn't know whether I would be able to even film this and get this done because I had an appointment for a manicure this evening, which I have actually effectively rescheduled for another day because I have so much other stuff that I need to get done. Then I really didn't think I would have the brain power. Oh my God. I didn't think I would have the brain power or just even the time to be able to do this, but actually clearing that nail appointment from my schedule is helping me feel a little calmer about all the things I need to do. So let's put this down here. And this alcohol ink is available in Ali's shop, and it is gorgeous. I love using it with so many different spreads. I almost feel like I should combine that with something though. Let's see. Like this, I don't know if that would match. Ow, my elbow. Okay. Okay. Ooh, kind of. Maybe this one. I don't know. I feel like I'm trying to do too much stuff here. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, I've been a hot mess today. Barely been able to focus at work because I'm just exhausted. It has been a wonderful weekend in San Francisco, but it was a lot. A lot of people, a lot of vendors, just very much overload for all of the senses. And you know, while I enjoyed it, I was getting to, well, Friday was definitely overload to the point where I barely filmed anything or even took pictures because I couldn't even remember to do that. Saturday was a lot better because I was able to actually process what I was doing and do some filming and hang out with friends, and it was great. This is so cute. And then Sunday, for anyone who had any conversations with me Sunday morning, I was mostly there. Not all the way there, just mostly. She is so cute. Okay, the way that I've been decorating this is I'd like to combine this alcohol ink washi with these different stickers because this alcohol ink kind of brings out the blue in these stickers. Okay, let's add just a little bit of washi here. I'm going to cover up the month and part of this calendar. Actually, maybe use this one. So I actually don't mind covering up that calendar there. And then this girl can go actually over here, right there. Then I can add a few other things around, like that is the cutest little seal. And maybe I'll add this one right in the middle. Cute. Kind of covering up the edges of the washi, so you almost don't know where the washi starts. And then I'll put a few more of these fun ones up here. Now, I do have to say, these stickers aren't normally my style, but I thought they were so cute, and I thought, why not use them and just kind of break out of my own mold a little bit. Because yeah, this is definitely not the type of stickers that I normally decorate with, but how cute are they? I might leave the rest of, actually no, one more. I'll do the fishies, and then the rest I can leave for the other spreads. Okay, very cute. And I've left the decoration mostly towards the edges because I do keep all of this in here clear for my own plans. So, all right. First thing that I'm going to do after decorating is doing my sidebar. So this is my Radius Settimo Marmo Bianco, and it has, what does it have in here? Wearingo White Rabbit. What do I put here? Sleep. So I normally draw out a sleep chart, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. And when I'm good about it, I do track my sleep scores here. I haven't been great about it the last month or so, but when I'm good, it is really great to see all of those in there. And then this is my Esterbrook SD Blue Moon. And this one is so fun to use because it's got the Architect grind on the back and then an extra fine nib on the other, on the normal side. And I thought, why not use a bright blue ink? It may not be the exact match for the blue that's in these stickers, but it's still so fun to use. Okay, then work for me starts at 9. Until 5:30, so just drawing that out. And then I'm going to alternate, where is my pencil board? Alternate the days that I use these inks. I did get a comment in one of my videos, and I'm trying to remember which one, where you know, some of my videos are really just about the process, and I don't talk too much about my personal life. And I don't know, I'm kind of mixed about that. I try to include both in my videos, whether it's my inking videos or my plan with me videos. Include a little bit about me, make this personal, make this human, because I am human, but I don't want that to completely take over my videos and make them, you know, an hour long because I've spent too much time talking rather than putting a sticker down. But I mean, let me know your thoughts. And then Thursday I start early at 8:30 and then go until 5. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do the daily things that I need to add in here. So today, Monday, what I'm actually doing right now is I am filming my A5 plan with me. And then I also have to, well, I'm gonna do the to-do list down here. I have orders to work on. I have to meal plan and order groceries. Okay, then Tuesday, anything going on Tuesday? Nope. Basically the main thing on Tuesday is put out garbage and get myself a nice little mini icon sticker to go with that. Okay, here we go. So, oh, I'll be able to use that later. And that. And where is my garbage sticker? I also have stickers for YouTube, but none printed for myself at the moment. But instead I will use a YouTube emoji sticker because I'm really trying to be better about using what I have. And some days I'm really great, and other days I just remembered I placed a huge order with Paper Bits Co. for some more of her icons, but oh, that's cute. That yellow works really, really well there, actually. Okay, then I'll put this away. I am the person who normally cleans as I go because otherwise the mess at the end of it stresses me out. Then Wednesday, do we have any? Yes, I do have something Wednesday, duh. I have a nail appointment. I was supposed to have the nail appointment today, like I said, but I just had too many things to do, so I have rescheduled it for Wednesday, 5:30. And my nail place is not too far. Nails, oh my goodness. And by that day, I'm sure I will need it. Then Thursday is, oh, I got distracted. I need the weighing scale because I'll be going to Weight Watchers on this day. And that is also the day my husband will be picking up groceries. Weigh in. Okay, then immediately after that, use the grocery bag mini icon. Oops. I do not have my tweezers right next to me, which would make this job a lot easier. Oh, that one was not very well cut. There we go. Okay. These are so cute. I love these little mini grocery bags. And my husband will pick up groceries. Then Friday, there are actually a few things that I do need to get done. So I'm going to get this little car icon. So there's a few errands I have to run after work. Things like, let's see. So it'll be like a to-do list here. I need to go to Best Buy and have them look at my printer. Then I need to go to Weiss and Johnson to get filters for, yeah, the central vac system, and or not the central vac system, but like our central air. Then I think that's it for actual to-do things, but they're not things I do that often. And then I'll probably take the kids out for bubble tea. Oops, cocoa. And then I will do some filming in the evening. Then on that day, Robin has a haircut. And I believe I actually have haircut stickers. I don't go for a haircut that often, literally once or twice a year. So I didn't buy haircut stickers before because I don't need them. But I thought, why not? Oh, there we go. There's a fly right in my face. Okay. Let's do this one. This is cute. There, my goodness. Ugh. Okay. So Robin's got a hair appointment at 11:30. Okay, but before that, the kids and I are going to do some cleaning. So let me just get this out of the way. So let's see here. I'll grab this little emoji. And so it will be bed sheets, bathrooms, vacuum, windows, and Henry will do the door handle and light switches. Okay, then on Sunday we have Ninja and badminton. So yeah, let's do a yellow one for this. What time is it? 11:30. Okay. So Henry first, 11:30. H at N. R at badminton. Okay. Then I have plans in the evening with a friend of mine, Adrian, if you're watching this, I'm reminding you that we have plans on Sunday, which involve basically eating a big bowl of popcorn and just catching up. I'm just gonna write Adrian and popcorn. Cool. All right. Oh, and one thing I'm forgetting down here, I'm going to put down my habits. So I will be listening to my audiobook, and I will try and read 10 to 15 pages and then meditate. I really like putting the habit tracker here because I find that if I can see it on a day-to-day basis, it's easier for me to actually track my habits in there than it is to try and do it in the yearly or the quarterly goals page. All right, let's clean up a bit. All right, there's the spread all done. I'm actually really happy with that, considering it's not my usual type of sticker, not my usual color scheme, but it is really, really cute. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.